What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to place a bracket order in Questrade. Here is everything you need to know. Let's go. Okay, so here's my Questrade dashboard right now. As you can see, I am looking at Beyond Meat stock, ticker symbol BYND. I am looking at it on a one-day basis, and we're going to do a little bit of technical analysis, and I'm going to show you what trade I am looking for. So first thing I'm going to do is place some price lines here to look at our highs and lows that are basically forming our support and resistance. So as you can see, we've got some major support right here around 120, some resistance around 160, and again a little bit more resistance up here around 200. And then if you zoom in here a little bit to more recently, you can see that we fell through this support at 120 and we actually came right down to 100, came back up to this 160 level, and now we have come right back down to this 100 level. We actually got down as low as $98, and so I am super interested in this stock because we just fell through a channel, but now we have a double bottom. We've got major support here, and Beyond Meat is growing very quickly long term. And so when you look at our indicators, we also have a couple positive signs. The RSI is moving higher. We also have the MACD, which is crossing over right now. So we've got some positive indications here. And what we are going to do is we are going to use a bracket order to enter the stock, as well as set a stop loss just below support, so that if we're wrong, we get out of the position and we only lose a couple percent. And then we are also going to set a take profit so that we can lock in our profits when the stock runs up. And that way, the advantage of using a bracket order is that you can basically place the trade, you get into the stock position, you have a take profit, you also have a stop loss, and you can basically just let that trade run. And if your analysis is good enough, if your ratios are good enough, you can basically just set a lot of trades just like this. You can let them run and they will just continuously make money for you if your analysis is good enough. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to enter the stock with a limit order, and we're basically going to try and get into it right away. We are going to set a stop loss at around $98, and then we are going to set a take profit at probably around 135 to 140 in here. I want to get in just right before this previous support, and so I've got an order form open right here. As you can see, BYND is the ticker. Make sure you've got that set up. We are going to just buy 10 shares of it for now, just because this is an example, and we're not going to use a market order. We are going to use a limit order so that it does not run up our price, and so that we can get in at the price that we want. So as of right now, the bid is 107.60 and the last trade is 107.65. The ask right now is also 107.65. So we're going to go right in at 107.65. This one is going to be good for the day. I'm going to leave the route set as auto, and I'm using my margin account, but I want to place a bracket order and not just a limit order. So what we're going to do is click on this little box right here, and that is going to open up this basically little drop down menu here. And this is really nice because it gives you your take profit right here, and it also gives you your stop loss right here. And all you have to do is fill in the information and you're good to go. So for us, I want to fully exit the position if we hit our take profit. So for me, I'm going to leave the quantity at 10. I'm going to buy 10 right now, and if we hit our take profit, we are going to sell 10. And the limit for this take profit, or the area or the price level at which I want to sell this, is going to be, what are we at? 107 right now. Let's call it 108. I want to sell this at 138 because that's going to work out really nicely with our ratios, and it's going to get me out before this previous level of support here. So we are going to sell out at 138, and then I'm going to leave the duration on this trade as GTC. That stands for good till close. That means that this order is going to live on past today, and this order is going to stay alive until somebody actually closes it or until it executes. Now we have to fill out the loss. So this actually refers to our stop loss. And so you can do a stop, or you can also do a trailing stop. For us, I'm going to leave it as a stop because I want to get out if we fall down below $98. And so for us, I want to sell out all 10 shares if it hits this level, and I want the price level for us to sell out to be $98. And I also want this order to be good till close so that it exists past today, and it exists until it is either canceled or until it is filled. And so in summary here, what I have is an order to buy 10 shares of Beyond Meat. It is a limit order that is going to execute at the highest price of 107.65. I might have to adjust that now because we've been talking about this for a minute, but it's going to be a limit order. It's good for today, meaning I want to get into this right away, and if I don't get into it today, this order isn't going to exist past that. I'm using my margin account, and then I'm setting a take profit for 10 shares at $138, and I'm setting my stop loss for 10 shares at $98. And so as you can see, the ask right now is 107.70, so we're going to bump this up just a little bit. We're going to click on buy. It is going to give me a confirmation window. I'm going to click on send order, and as you can see right there, my order has been accepted. I now hold 10 shares of Beyond Meat, and if you look at my chart right now, you can also see my stop loss order is right here at $98. My take profit order is right here at $138, and the price that we just got in at was right around $107.70. And so this is absolutely fantastic because my maximum downside on this trade is $10 per share, and my maximum upside on this trade is $20 per share, giving me a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which means if I went out and I made a bunch of trades just like this one, I only have to be correct and my take profit only has to be hit on 33% of these trades in order for me to be profitable. And so that is the beautiful thing about bracket orders, is it allows you to get in, it allows you to set your risk to reward ratio, and then once everything is set up, you just let it run. You let it do its thing, and you can get out of it, and you cannot have to look at it, you cannot have to watch it, and you know that your orders are still going to be there, and you're either going to make the target profit or you're going to lose a maximum amount. That is the advantage of the bracket orders. Now, the only risk to the bracket orders is if that stock gaps down. So for instance, if Beyond Meat gaps down to $90, that is going to sell my shares right away at $90 on market open. Even if it rallies back up to $100 in 5 minutes, it will have executed my order at $90 because my limit is $98. So it's going to get me out of that trade anything below $98. And so you have to be well aware that bracket orders are absolutely fantastic. The only risk to bracket orders is when that stock gaps down and it fills your order at a level that was lower than you were expecting. Other than that, bracket orders are absolutely fantastic. Now, if you're interested in using Questrade and using charts just like this and going through the system that I just showed you, definitely check out the link down below in the description to this video because it will give you $50 in free trading commissions when you open an account with Questrade. That way you can try out everything that I just showed you completely for free. If you don't like it, you won't have paid a single cent. Take your money out, go somewhere else. It doesn't matter, but I promise you, Questrade's the best platform in Canada. I use it for my TFSA, my RRSP, and my margin account that I just showed you here. So I highly recommend it. And if you're interested in learning a little bit more about how to execute these trades and find the stocks and perform technical analysis, then definitely check out my completely free course. It is hosted on Skillshare and it is called Stock Market Fundamentals. There's over 8,000 students that have gone through the course. There's over 325 reviews. And like I said, it is completely free. The link is in the description down below to this video, and when you sign up with that link, you get 2 weeks of free access to the entire platform. So take my 10-hour course, cancel the subscription in under 2 weeks, and you just got the entire course for free. I promise you, it'll be the best free resource that you can find online. The link is in the description to this video. And if you get any value out of this video, remember to click that like and subscribe button. I sincerely appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. Good luck trading, good luck investing, and we'll talk to you soon.